Running a marketing agency often means juggling feedback, chasing files, and reminding clients about invoices. It's exhausting. That's where a client portal comes in. It organizes everything: projects, updates, payments, and collaboration in one clean, professional space. Today, we'll walk through the 9 best client portals for marketing agencies, what they do well, what to expect, and how to find the one that actually fits your workflow. Number 1. Agency Handy. If your agency juggles too many tools, Agency Handy is the fix. It's your all-in-one marketing agency client portal, built to organize your services, clients, projects, and payments in one system. Every client gets a white-labeled dashboard: your logo, your colors, your custom domain. They log in and instantly see active projects, invoices, tasks, and uploaded files. When a client orders a service, Agency Handy automatically turns it into an organized project with tasks, deadlines, and priorities. The Kanban board keeps everything visual, from content creation to campaign delivery, and clients see updates in real time. The file feedback tool saves endless revision emails. Clients can click on the exact section of a design or report and drop comments right there. You get version control, clean threads, and zero confusion. The service catalog is a major edge. It lets you productize your marketing services. Clients can browse packages, choose one, pay online, and get portal access automatically. Behind the scenes, the CRM and Task Manager keep every lead and client organized. The billing system automates recurring invoices and payment reminders, while the dashboard shows you revenue, open tickets, and client activity. With built-in analytics, white label branding, and flexible payment options, PayPal, Stripe, Wise, crypto, Agency Handy isn't just a tool. It's the operating system for modern marketing agencies. Number 2. SuiteDash. If your agency already runs on multiple tools, CRM, invoicing, task boards, SuiteDash pulls them together. You'll get one platform that manages everything from leads to client communication. It's fully white label, so your clients only see your brand. You can run projects with Kanban boards, create dashboards, and automate onboarding with forms that trigger tasks and workflows. It takes time to learn, but once you've set it up, it's powerful and completely under your control. Number 3. Clinked. When data security and collaboration are top priorities, Clinked shines. It gives agencies a branded, mobile-first portal for sharing files, managing feedback, and tracking project updates. Clients can comment directly on files, use shared calendars, and stay aligned on tasks. Access controls, two-factor authentication, and version history keep your agency compliant and organized. It's a solid fit for marketing teams who deal with sensitive reports or large client assets. Number 4. Assembly, formerly Copilot. Assembly offers a fast, modern setup for agencies that want simplicity. You can message clients, send invoices, sign contracts, and share files, all from one sleek dashboard. Clients log in once and see everything: projects, forms, and payments, without switching tools. And ACH, Apple Pay, credit cards, it's all integrated. It's built for teams that want clean, professional communication without heavy customization. Number 5. Softr. If you love no-code tools, Softr lets you build your own client portal from Airtable or Google Sheets data. It's flexible, visual, and quick to deploy. You can track campaign performance, upload assets, and give clients dashboards that update live from your data sources. It's ideal for smaller marketing agencies that want control without hiring developers. Number 6. Ahsuite. Ahsuite gives you a minimal, focused client experience. Clients can log in to see reports, presentations, and dashboards, all in one clean interface. You can embed Looker Studio, Figma, or Google Workspace, so everything your client needs lives inside one branded hub. It's simple, efficient, and keeps agencies from drowning in email threads. Number 7. ManyRequests. If you run a design-heavy marketing agency, ManyRequests is made for you. It's perfect for managing structured service requests, like ad design, content revisions, or campaign updates. Clients can log in, submit requests, track progress, and approve designs without emailing you 10 times. Plus, it supports full white labeling, subscription billing, and client roles, making it a great fit for productized marketing services. Number 8. Moxo. Moxo brings automation and enterprise-level compliance to client portals. You can build custom workflows, handle digital signatures, and sync with CRMS or ERPS. Clients get secure, branded portals with built-in chat, file sharing, and audit trails. It's feature-rich and great for agencies that manage large corporate clients and complex approvals. Number 9. Zendo. Zendo is all about speed and clarity. You can create service catalogs, automate quotes, and give clients a chat-style experience where requests, files, and payments all sit together. Clients love that everything happens in one thread instead of 20 emails. It's ideal for agencies selling subscriptions or fixed packages, clean, fast, and easy to use. Every marketing agency needs structure, not more software chaos. Whether you want automation, branding, or analytics, the right portal makes your agency look sharper and run faster. But if you're looking for one system that connects it all, from proposals to payments, Agency Handy is built for exactly that.